Hello friends, today I would like to discuss another concept from pointers, that is pointer arithmetic. Okay, I have already discussed how to create a pointer, how to initialize the address of a variable to a pointer, and how to access the value of the variable through pointer. Now we see pointer arithmetic. So arithmetic means all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus division, increment and decrement. Okay, what are the operations that we can perform on these pointers? Let's see an example program. So where we can see all these arithmetic operations. So here I am declaring two variables, x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 20. And I am declaring two pointers, int star p1 star p2. These two are the pointers. Okay. I am assigning the address of x to p1 and address of y to p2. Okay. So I'll take another variable, that is a result for this. Result is equals to star p1 plus star p2. Printf result equals to results value. Okay, let's see this program. So in this program, what we have done, we got the address of the x into p1 and the address of y into p2, and I have written the notations star p1, that value of address at p1 and the value of address at p2. Okay, let's draw a figure for this. X is the variable here and I am having a 10, and y is another variable, I am having a value 20, and there are two pointers p1 and p2. Okay, for example, its address is 10,000 and its address is 20,000. So address of x is given to p1 means here I am having a 10,000, and address of y is given to p2 means here I am having a 20,000. So in another way I can say that p1 is pointing to x and p2 is pointing to y. So this is the memory map. So here what we have done is, I have accessed the address of x, that is a star with star p1 and a value of y with star p2. That means value of x is star p1 and value of y is star p2. And we have added the two values, that is star p1 means 10 plus star p2 means 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So we'll get the output as a 30. Output is equals to 30. So with this example, we may come to a conclusion that we can perform addition on two pointers. Remember that this is not pointer arithmetic. Here we have performed the addition operation on star p1 star p2. That means star p1 means x, star p2 means y. That means we have actually performed the operation, arithmetic operation, addition on variables, not on pointers. So remember, this is not arithmetic. So the arithmetic should be p1 plus p2. p1 plus p2. So this is the pointer arithmetic. So don't confuse with these two things. Okay. So similarly, I can write a star here, no problem. That will multiply my two values. Similarly, I can write a minus here, that will subtract. Okay, all these things are not arithmetic operations. So what we have to do is, arithmetic operations on pointers means adding two pointers, that means two addresses, subtracting two pointers, multiplying two pointers. So this is the actual arithmetic operations on the pointers. Now we'll see what are the valid arithmetic operations we can perform on the pointers. Okay, again I am drawing the previous diagram, that is x is having 10 and its address is 10,000, and P1 is having that address 10,000, y is having a value 20, and P2 is having that address 20,000. Okay, just with this example you can easily make it out which are valid or which are invalid operations. For example, if I am doing this P1 plus P2, P1 plus P2. So what is P1? 10,000. What is P2? 20,000. Is there any meaning in this? 10,000 plus 20,000 is equals to 30,000. So is there any meaning in this? This is one address and this is another address, and we have creating another third address, and we are trying to do some kind of operation with this address. Is it valid? We can clearly say that this is an invalid operations. That means you cannot add two pointers, because when you are adding two addresses, that is producing another address, that means which is not having any meaning. So addition is not possible. Addition is not possible on two pointers. This is first thing. Okay, coming to the second thing, can I subtract my two pointers, P1 minus P2? Can I subtract these two pointers? So this is a valid with some conditions. That means you can subtract two pointers provided that both the pointers points to the same array. So if these two pointers are pointing to the same array, then subtraction is allowed. So addition invalid, subtraction valid, but with some conditions. And coming to the third operation, can I multiply my two pointers? So when you're multiplying one address with another address, what you will get? We don't know what is that value, which is not having any significance to my concept. So third one, multiplication. This is also invalid. Coming to the division, can I divide one pointer with another pointer? Division. So directly you can find it out that you cannot divide two addresses because that its value is not having any significance. So this is also invalid. What about modulus division? So if division is not possible, modulus division is also invalid. So out of these five operations, subtraction is allowed between two pointers, but with some condition. What is that condition? Both the pointers point to the same array. So these are the arithmetic operations. Coming to the next operation, 6-1, increment. Increment. Can I increment my pointer? Yes, you can do that. P1 plus plus, which is a valid. That means you are just incrementing the address. And 7th one, decrement. Yes, decrement is also possible. Also possible. So that means a pointer can be decremented. When you decrement a pointer, it comes to the previous location. So where these two operations are valid? These two operations are not valid for variables. They are valid for the arrays. When you increment a pointer which is pointing to an array, it moves to the next element. When you're decrementing a pointer, it will move to the previous element. So these and the two operations are valid for the pointers. And coming back to this addition, in addition we can add some integer to the pointer, like P1 plus 2, P1 plus 4. So this addition of a number to the pointer is valid. Not adding two pointers. You can add a number to the pointer. So what happens when I add the number to the pointer, that we'll discuss with the next concept. So this is a pointer arithmetic. So remember friends, so out of all these 7 operations, So subtraction of 2 pointers, incrementing and decrementing are valid, and addition can be between a pointer and a number. So that is pointer arithmetic.